Hey guys, Richard with Dent Hero. Got a brand new Land Rover Defender, dent in the right front door. It's got temp tags, that's how new it is. Owner hit a mailbox, put a pretty big crease in the door, so let's take a look. So this is a very cool car, I like it. It's all new design. Kind of controversial, but I'm a fan. So you can see we've got a crease. Looks like two dents. You've got an intrusion beam here behind the door skin. So what happened was impact, skipped over that beam, and then impact. So a little complex. It's going to be tight. Probably going to have to take the door off to fix this one. But I think if I'm able to get access, get behind there, get the right amount of leverage, I should be able to fix this. I think it'll come out great. Do a little buffing, it should be good to go. Stay tuned. All right, this is after a couple rounds of glue pulling. I got a lot of the dent out. I'm actually kind of happy with this. I might not have to take the door off, so glue pulling, I'm a fan. So I had to take the door off. Now I can get on the dent, I can get most of the shape out, but it's kind of a funky position working around that cross beam. So I figured take the door off, put it on a stand, make for a much easier, better repair. So taking the doors off taking the door off the vehicle is not hard, but taking the trim panel off this Defender was a challenge. There's a lot of bolts and access panels, very tricky. One of the more challenging ones I've done, but got it off, didn't break anything, and this is where we're at now. We got most of the shape back. We've definitely got some detail work left, so figure why not put it on a stand, be able to access it from multiple angles, cross-check, and deliver excellent results. So this is where we're at.